Okay, so today I'm here in my office and I want to showcase our invisible antenna line. So we've launched a complete line of transparent antennas, which are really truly exciting for applications like transportation, on the windows of trains, buses and trucks, public safety, in the passenger windows of cars and first responder vehicles, and then also on any display. So if you want to put an antenna on a digital signage application, or maybe on a parking meter, for example, you can simply install the antenna directly on the display. For example, I have one here on my TV, and rarely when I do a presentation does anybody even notice that there's a cellular antenna on the TV, or on my window where there's a 5G wideband cellular antenna right there on the window. This is an example of it, how it looks on a passenger window. So you don't really see the antenna unless you go and look for it. Previous transparent antennas were more translucent. This is a true transparent material. It's in high volume production today. There's a range of antennas already available on our website and through our channel partners and distributors. And you can go to taoglas.com for more information and data sheets and on how to buy.